Yeah, so I think just to kind of summarize it, I think it's entirely possible. I think that someone should just be very clear about which role that they're in and how they're looking at things, and if there's an opportunity to explain similar concepts or things that exist in both worlds, and that can be explained to the audience in a way that makes sense, and and have those things addressed from the ABA side in the presentation. I think that would be helpful for everybody. This actual question, if it is the case, and it does appear to be the case, that you can be a behavior analyst and simultaneously be something else. I think in terms of presenting yourself in a particular way to an audience, I think the best idea would be to own your knowledge area and your expertise in both sections. I wouldn't try to hide one or the other, but make it clear for the purposes of the presentation which hat you're wearing. So I'm a speech language pathologist. I'm also a certified behavior analyst. In this presentation, although some things might overlap, I'm presenting this through, while wearing the hat of a behavior analyst or through the lens of applied behavior analysis. Yeah, I think there might be, I mean, I think there's probably, in the ABA community at large, there's probably a lack of awareness about how the speech language pathologist may conceptualize some of the things in our field that overlap. And so it might, it might be really helpful for the person doing this presentation that if there are in fact concepts or skills or deficits or things related to the case that overlap in ABA and speech language pathology, to explain conceptually how they are in the speech language world and how they are in the ABA world, and sort of help to bridge what could be misunderstanding across the two fields.